Hi. 2 weeks to play day. Meet the AD. Right, one of the ADs. It's been damn chill.
What the fuck is going on? You know, it's just what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, I mean, it's 2 weeks to play day. We've almost finished.
Yeah, we're like
Everything.
so confident.
Which page are they on?
Which?
He said his line.
154.
He said his line about the box or the.
Everything's going so well. I mean,
Amit's not been yelling the too much.
Other people getting stuck with the problem.
क्यों? Hello, genius!
I don't know my line. Take this.
And
our ticket sales have been happening for
why is
weeks
actually
now.
I know why has been acting like whoa.
He knows all his lines.
Ridiculous.
Guy looks like Ranveer shit.
No bars.
Archana looks like
No
mad idiot.
bars.
Sunit's like totally acing his
Dude,
character.
Sunit's 5 lines, he does it so well.
When all around strife is uncertainty.
It's like the best thing ever, trust me.
Ever.
Yeah, it's hilarious this play.
Which is why I should
Totally come and watch the play.
us. Yeah.
Yeah,
And bring everyone along.
right.